Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Techolic. In today's session, we will learn Excel actions in Power Automate desktop. So the topics which we are going to cover are like how to launch and read the Excel, how to write to an Excel sheet, and how to copy and paste the data from one Excel sheet to the other. So starting with the session, I have created an Excel sheet with the name PG1, which contains data such as names such as Ajay, Ram, Jay, and Rahul. So this is the Excel sheet. Now we will create a flow. Okay. So for that, first we will use the action called as launch Excel. For launching the Excel, I will drag this action into our workflow. And as we can see, parameter named as launch Excel. Here we have two options that we can open an Excel sheet with a blank document, or we can open already saved document. So as I have saved the Excel sheet with the name PG1, I will select that one. And open, and I will just save it. After launching the Excel, the next step is to read the Excel. So I will just take the action for reading the Excel worksheet and place it into our workflow. Retrieve. It is asking for us for what data we have to retrieve. I will select all available values from the worksheet and save it. As we can see, the variable is created with the Excel data, and so I will save it. After launching and reading the Excel sheet, the next step is that I have to check whether the data which is there in Excel sheet, is it readable. So I will just use display message for it. Display message, and I will give the variable name message to display as Excel data and save it. Sorry, the variable name as Excel data. Select it and save it and run the plot. As we can see, the message has been displayed. Ajay, Ram, Jay, Rahul are the names which were there in our Excel sheet. So our bot has run perfectly. So the next is that we'll copy this data from this our previous Excel sheet and paste it into a new Excel sheet. So I will just delete this display message action. So after reading the Excel, I will just close this Excel. I will use close Excel action for this purpose. And I will not save it as it is already been saved. So I will just keep it as it is and save it. As I have to open the next new Excel sheet, so I will again use launch Excel command. Drag the action into our workflow. I will create this with a blank document as I don't have a previously created Excel sheet. So, and as we can see, the new variable has been created named Excel instance 2. As the previous one was Excel instance, this is the new one with the variable name as Excel instance 2. Save it. After launching the Excel, what I will do is I will take right to Excel. This first I have copied. First I will have to copy the data from the previous Excel sheet. So I will use copy cells from the Excel sheet command. I will place it into our workflow, and it is asking for the Excel instance. I will choose our previous one, Excel instance 1. I have to read the data from available values from all worksheets. So I will select it and save it. After copying the cell, I will get write Excel sheet action, and it is asking for Excel instance. So the active Excel instance must be Excel instance 2, and the value to write must be the Excel data. Okay, select on write mode. I will select on currently active cell and save it. And I will just move this copy cells from Excel worksheet to top before the close Excel action, and I will run the flow. And as you can see that the new our data has been copied and pasted into a new Excel sheet named book 1. So